Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Kaylee's family soup from the Firefly Cookbook. One of the things I really love about this cookbook is the majority of the ingredients for all the recipes in it can be found in your pantry. So at a time right now where we are pretty much cooking from our pantry, I think this is a really good dish that you would be able to make fairly quickly. So the ingredients that we are going to need for it are 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes with their juice, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans. I'm using dark red that I've gone ahead and rinsed and drained. I've got 1 15-ounce can of mixed vegetables. I have a half of a pound of ground hamburger, 1 small onion, 3 cloves of minced garlic. So for the spices, I've got a half of a teaspoon of cumin and a half of a teaspoon of savory, as well as a pinch of red pepper flakes. Now the red pepper flakes are totally optional. You can add these or not if you so choose. The savory, it says that if you don't have savory, other herbs will work. I imagine marjoram or basil would be a perfect substitute for this, because I know savory can sometimes be hard to find. As well as some salt and pepper, which I already have over at my stove. So let me go ahead and get you moved over there, and we can go ahead and start getting our onions and garlic sauteed and our hamburger fried up. Alright guys, I've got you over at my stove, and I've already gone ahead and heated up about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Go ahead and turn my heat up, and I'm going to go ahead and add my onions in. I'm going to let these start to saute for just a little bit before I add in my garlic. Alright guys, my onions have been cooking for about 2 minutes, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic in. And I'm going to let this just start to cook until it starts becoming fragrant. Alright guys, our garlic has been cooking for about 45 seconds, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my hamburger and start breaking this up and get it browned up as well. So while I'm doing this, I would like to remind you of the Gamers and Geeks playlist that JP Dad and I have going on our channels if you would like to be a part of that. It's really easy. All you have to do is go out and make a cooking video, and once you've done that, post it to your channel, and then let either JP or I know in the comment section of our latest cooking videos, or if you're a part of our Discord servers, you can let us know over there as well. So far, it is over 180 recipes on the playlist, and I am very pleased and proud of the community and everyone that has contributed, whether by turning in a video or by watching them and just supporting what we've been doing. It's been amazing to see, and you guys are absolutely awesome in your support. Alright guys, so this is starting to look really good. It's going to come together fairly quickly. All I'm going to do is let my hamburger continue to brown up, and once that's done, I'm going to get it drained, and we'll get the rest of our ingredients added. Alright guys, I've already gone ahead and drained off our hamburger, and now all I'm going to do is add in my spices and allow them to toast for just a minute. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in my chicken broth, as well as my tomatoes. And now I'm going to go ahead and dump in the remaining vegetables, as well as some pepper. And use as much or as little pepper as you want. Our family likes things with a lot of pepper in it, so I am a little bit heavy-handed with it. And I'm going to go ahead and add in just a little pinch of salt. Now all I'm going to do is simply bring this up to a boil, and then I'll drop it down to a simmer and allow this to simmer for at least 20 minutes, but preferably longer. I've got some rolls that I'm trying to get baked to go with these. So once the rolls are done, I'm going to consider the soup done. So probably a couple of hours for me. But, you know, it could be done in as little as 20 minutes if you were in a hurry. A very quick and easy and nutritious meal you could throw together at last minute. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and get this covered and allow it to simmer, and I will see you when it's done. Alright guys, our family soup is done, and I went ahead and let it cook for about 3 hours. Now I will say it is not a very brothy soup. So if you're looking for something like that, I would definitely add probably another cup, maybe even 2 of chicken broth, and then adjust your seasonings for that. But for now, let's go in and give it a taste, see what we think about it. It is actually really hot, but it's very, very good. I do enjoy the flavors. I like the savory in it and would definitely recommend using that if you can get a hold of it. But like I said in the beginning, if you can't, marjoram or basil would work just as well. I do like the little bit of heat that I've got in this with that tiny, tiny pinch of red pepper flake. I think it goes very well. I am serving it alongside of Kaylee's tear and share rolls that I made earlier today. And it goes really well with it. I was a little bit skeptical of the canned mixed vegetables. I'm not a big fan of those, but they actually work in this and held up very well. So if I do make this dish again, I will definitely be adding them, as well as, like I said, a little bit more broth, just so I have more of a soup and less of a stew consistency. But other than that, I really do like this dish, and we'll definitely be making it again in the future. But for now, I think that is going to be it for me for today. If you guys like this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys try this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. If you make any changes, let me know what they were. Remember to check out the Gamers and Geeks playlist, as well as some of my other cooking playlists. I will leave links down in the description to them. But as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vlog Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.